How to redeem an Amazon gift card. To redeem an Amazon gift card, you may follow up these steps. So you can visit the Amazon website or Amazon app for that and sign in. And once you are signed in, you can go to your account in the top right corner. Now, once you open it up, a menu appears on your screen. Now, what you need to do is from the given menu, select the option, scroll down, and look out for this option called See All Options to open up the settings menu. Now from here, you may just scroll down through the given options and head over to the section where you can add up your gift card. So you may look out for this uh, product vouchers or manage gift card balance section. Just go ahead to one of the dedicated section. And once you are here, you can tap on redeem. Just go ahead and tap on it. And there, just go ahead and provide in the code that you're trying to redeem for your gift card, or you can even scan it. And once it is done, you can tap on apply, and that will be applied to your particular balance. So that is how you redeem any Amazon gift card within 1 minute on your Amazon.com. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.